Hi Carlos.
Hi, hi.
So how's your day been?
Oh, it's been bad. I had a very bad neck pain.
Oh, okay.
It's very hard for me to come to office.
Okay. You played soccer or something?
No, I just slept in the wrong positions.
Oh, okay. So I just thought I should call you and discuss with you on your performance.
Okay.
I feel as a newcomer into this.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, it is. As a newcomer into the industry, I mean, it's really nice that you grasped stuff really fast.
Okay.
And I understand that you even got Associate of the Month this
Right.
time. And I really like to congratulate you and commend you on all the hard work that you've done.
Sure.
But I think this past 2 weeks, I feel that the project has been facing some issue, and we also recently had a review, I think a one-on-one peer review, and your ratings have not come out well in that. Can you explain to me why you think that could have happened?
Like, what do you mean ratings have not come out? I thought my expectations were set clear, and I thought in the daily stand-up meetings that I was doing okay. So,
Okay.
can you give me some more insight?
So your project manager is Malena, right?
Yeah.
So did you have a chance to go and meet up with her and set your goals?
No, we're following that agile method, right? So every day morning we have a 10-minute meeting before we start up with that day's task.
Mm-hmm.
So I was expecting that, I was assuming that actually everything was going fine.
Mm-hmm.
But is there something seriously wrong?
No, I'm talking about your personal goals and personal and professional goals. Have you got a chance to go and meet up with Malena on that?
Oh, no.
Or no, you
No.
haven't done that. So, so the task that you're talking about that you've discussed over the project are project-specific goals.
Right.
And what I'm trying to get at is that you need to go and set your goals on a regular basis with your manager. This is more of a one-on-one thing.
Okay.
And you should go and set your goals, because I feel that there were some instances where your creativity has not been substantiated in the form of deliverables.
Okay.
And we are trying to figure out what that is. But have you been having any troubles of late? Maybe 2 weeks or so?
No, it's just that I was trained in one specific framework, and the project expects for me to work in a different framework.
Okay.
So it's just that adaptation takes some time, and probably some more training sessions on that would help.
Okay. Have you expressed this to your manager, Malena?
Not specifically, but I am trying to learn it every day on my own.
Mm-hmm.
So it might take a little bit of time,
Mm-hmm.
and I wouldn't want to tell Malena about this because maybe she might think that I'm not capable of the job, because I was hired because of expertise on a different field, and the project requires a different framework to work on, and
Okay.
that's
Okay. So one thing about our organization, Carlos, is that we really don't expect everybody to stay in status quo. If you've come in based on some technical skill, we don't expect you to stay with that if you do not like it.
right.
So I really don't want you to do some work where you feel you will not excel in.
Okay.
And which is why I reinstate that you should go and meet up with Malena, discuss your goals,
Right.
probably tell her that this is not your area of expertise, you would like to look into other projects. Have you looked into other projects that sound interesting to you?
No, so I think the main problem for me is the past experience I've had was in a startup, so there was no procedure, or everything was very ad hoc, and I could pick up whatever projects needed help, and I could work on that on my specific interest. But I moved into a bigger organization now, and I need to understand, I think, the process and protocols of each project and the organizational structure as a whole. So here I can't just randomly go pick up a project and start working on it just because I have an inclination towards it, right? So probably
So, as you just pointed out, like you were saying that you've come from a startup culture, and very much ABC and Co follows that startup culture, even though it's well-established organization. So, if you really do have some areas of interest, I would really encourage you to come and talk to me or to your manager about where you want to go, where you see your professional career path go. And I think that's very important for you as a professional to be able to do that. And to do that, because only then will you be able to excel in your work, and we don't want you to do something that you're not interested in, where we could use your expertise in a place where you would excel. So that being said, would you like any other resources to be able to perform better?
Not anything in particular, but I think I don't have a clear idea about all the projects in the company, because when you're in one project, you just stick to those deliverables and you keep working on that, but you don't get a chance to get an exposure about all the different projects that the company is doing. And the only resource I have is right now going on to the website and the company website and checking out all the projects. But most of the projects which are developing right now are not on the website, right? They're still in beta version and stuff. So I think that insight would be helpful for me, because I can pick up on that and.
Okay. So were you able to review through this Web 2.0 platform that we have? It's an internal project.
Yes, Web 2.0, I've heard about it.
Okay, so you were not able to go through that site?
I actually haven't gotten a chance to go through that.
Okay, would you like some briefing?
Does it?
Yeah, it does have exactly what you're looking for, to be able to see what are the different industry verticals where you can work, and what are the different projects that's there. It's completely internal to ABC, so you can actually go ahead and check out projects. The even hiring manager details are given. So you can go inside. It's more of an internal sourcing tool. And you can go there. If you would like some briefing, again I can put you to Malena or to any other team member you feel comfortable with, and they could give you probably a KT session on how that site works. So once, maybe if you get a hold of that, you can inform me or Malena on your decisions on continuing with the project, and we are pretty open about that. So coming as a new entrant into this company, don't ever feel that you don't have to go ahead with your professional goals. It's not like a steadfast process or rule. Yes, we do have some processes in place where you need to inform us well beforehand, and I think you would do that. But we are very open to taking part in any other project that would help you excel. So please feel free to come back to us on your decisions.
Sure.
So I'm really happy that we had this conversation,
because
I hope it will help you in the future.
Definitely. You can definitely see some more progress in me if I concentrate on my interests.
Thank you so much, Karvis.
Bye.
It was nice talking to you.